Hello. Now we need to create the wind. Right button. Write simple wind. Here is it. Now promote to parameter here. Promote to parameter here. Wind speed, promote to parameter. And promote to parameter right here. Write everywhere 05, 05, and 05. Now plug it into world position offset. Save. The movement has already begun. And now look how it looks here. So now we can play around with the parameters a little. Let's try to reduce the weight. Set to 02. And we'll set the wind intensity to 0 to 2. Let's do the same here 02. Slowed down completely. Well, in principle it suits us. Done. Save. Now as you can see, it moves completely, lifting off the ground. We will fix this now. So firstly, we will move this area to the left. We create multiply here. Connect. Now to limit the movement along the z-axis. We need this bounding box-based UV. And connect the blue channel here. Here we connect to the world position. Save. And look at the result. See, the stem no longer flies away from the ground surface. Done. Now we have saved this material. Now I will create materials for all these objects and will apply it. So I was wondering what else I forgot to do. I have set up the material, but we can't turn off the wind. We'll fix it now. Let's do it this way. Now let's switch here. Static switch parameter. Let's name it gross_wind. Connect true and false. And to world position. Shift it here a little bit. And comment. Grass_wind. Save. Let's see what we have here in the material. Well, it already looks acceptable. Ordered. Good. Save. And let's move on to the next materials. So what do we have here from plants? Let's take this agrostis. You can get it directly from here. Let's create a material instance. Agrostis. This is our leaf. Duplicate. This is our stem. And let's assign materials. The next plant we have is agrostis. We have 4 materials here: leaves, stem, and inflorescences. We take our material and create material instance. Let's name it m_agrostis. Let there be a stem first. Open it and configure it. So expand a little. The texture suits us. Let's set the roughness parameter to 1. We don't need intensity, it's still a stem. Save. I guess there's no need to explain anything else here. Create the next duplicate. Name it leaf. We leave the same, only reduce the roughness a little. We are moving to double-sided material. It is ready. Save and let's assign. This is our leaves painted. And here's our stem. Added too. As you can see, we have no movement at all. Need to connect the wind. Let me make it so that it is included in the basic material. Although probably no, it's not necessary. Let it be turned off. Turn on the wind. Save, including the wind, in the leaves too. Save. Everything started to move. Now we need to color these inflorescences. We create the third material. The wind is already turned on for us. Name it flower_1. Here material is one-sided. Here it is. Save. Apply. Here is the last material. Ctrl+D. Name flower to and open. And also replace the texture. Replace it with this one. Save. We'll also connect wind to the field grass. Great. We also have some small grass like this. Everything is the same here. We have 4 materials only. Let's duplicate, Ctrl+D. This is lawn_grass. And move it here. Done. As you can see on small herbs, this effect is much stronger. Or you can turn off the wind. Or reduce its intensity. Let's put a 1. Although maybe let's just turn it off. Done. Now so that we can use all this in our work, we need to assign all these materials not in the project itself, not in this place. And assign it here in the objects. Open and assign materials. Let's go. Done. Here is our model painted. Save and close. We do the same for all these objects. I finished painting all our vegetation. We are finishing the lesson. We'll continue to deal with trees in the next one. There the material will be improved so that it can be used on any vegetation. Thank you for your attention. Bye.